Replace your fears with efforts. Replace your incompetencies with skills. Learn new skills. Every skill that you learn will make you reinvent. You will be again energized. You will be happy that you have learned some skill. Imagine when you have learned how to ride a bicycle in your childhood, how happy you were. And when you learned driving a car, so you'll be more happy, right? Because you found that your skill has been enhanced from a two-wheeler to a four-wheeler, and also made it yourself more independent, right? So you need not stick for only that, like I can't go so very far on cycle, but you can go any far using a car. That will make you little more independent. So increase your skills, and if you have confusion, replace them with the clarity of thoughts. Avoid confusions. Replace your wants with the needs. Unless you feel something is very needful, you will not do that one. So if you want, I want to become a successful person. No, I have to become a successful person is what tells whether you want to, or you desire, or you just aim for. That makes the difference. Desires with the deserving qualities. As I told you, be deservable, not just desirable. And dreams with goals. Replace your dreams with goals. How can you do? Having a clarity in thoughts about how to reach over there. And don't just have vague ideas. Just this can be done this way also, this can be done that way also, he can do this also, I think he will do that one. No, don't give ways for all these vague ideas. Have proper plans, perfect plans, because even when we plan, there are sometimes things happening which we don't expect. So then you should again have plan B. So for a plan A, you should also have plan B. Then even without having plan A also, if you start doing something, then it's ridiculous. So replace your past with presence. So there are a lot of people thinking that if I would have got educated in a better school, if I would have born in such a good family, if my father would have been this is like very common thing. If my father would have been Birbal, I would have been Akbar. So this is not a right logic. Right? You tell me what you are, from where did you start, and how you can be a better person, right, from the others. We see as a life skill trainers, and we see as a psychologist, as teacher also, a lot of people having a lot of complaints about the family they are born, their financial system, the resources, where they have got their schooling, their education and everything. But tell me, is that everyone who has started had a better start, did they end up at their best places? And also tell me whether people who had a very bad start, did they end up in bad situations or worse situations? There is never like that. It's all about how do you take up every other step. The next step will define you whether you are towards betterment or not. So if you are past, if you had a painful past, you had a unsupportive past, then having a start there is not your mistake, but where are you ending up is definitely your efforts. Replace your past with your present, and complaints with gratitude. Be thankful. I will tell you a small story here. There was a guru, and he had three favorite his sishyas. Now all these three sishyas were fighting one day among themselves that I am the favorite to my guru, I am the favorite to my guru. So when the guru called and like, what are you fighting for? They told that we want to know today that who is your favorite, sir, because we three love you, and I am saying that I love you more, and the other says that I love you more, and the third one also says no, I love you more. So you have to tell now who is your favorite disciple. Then the guru said that, okay, if I am your favorite guru, now tell me what you have learned something. Tell me, I'll just put you a test, and you tell me that what do you think is the most valuable thing around you now, right now. So what is the most valuable thing that you say? Then the first one, then the other person came up with something like he had a very good gift that he has brought from his mother. He told that this is something which is given to my mother. So I feel that when you respect something, then you would love to sacrifice it. So I will show that you are valuable to me by giving something, by sacrificing something which I love most to you. That is how I can express that I love you more, or I respect you more. Then the third person said that, sir, I am, for me, according to me, the most valuable thing is like my life. So I think that being alive is the most valuable thing, the thing that we can be thankful, because I have known about God because I am alive, and I have known you because I am alive. That because I am alive, I have was a process, and I have come to you, and only because coming to you, I have learned lot of things. I have known about God, I have known about life, I have known about lot of skills, I have got this much of knowledge. This is all because I came to you. And how could I come to you? Only because how could this process completed? Because I am alive, I am able to breathe every day. So life is more important. Now a small doubt came in the mind of Guru, thought like, okay, he's telling life is more important. Now will he say that I am ready to die for you? But he was a little scared, and then the student said that my life is more important to you, but yet I will not give it to you, sir, because for any person being alive is the biggest boon that someone can give. So using this life, how do I value you? I will spread your preachings, I'll spread your teachings. I would imbibe the things that you have taught me throughout my life by utilizing every minute of my life, by living what you have taught me. That is what he told to the Guru. Then obviously the Guru has told that he is my favorite student, because it's not like giving away something to other person and you show your love. It's not like just saying that I like you more. It's not enough. It's like you learn something and be thankful for what you have learned. Be thankful for what you are alive. Be thankful for what you have. The gratitude is the biggest thing, and gratitude is the favorite lesson that he has learned from me, and that is why he is my favorite student also. So that is why he told that this is my favorite student. So dear friends, I say that personality development, as I told you, no one is perfect, and there is no perfect mold or perfect definition of personality development, but we can be a better person every day, and we can develop our skills. We can be a leader, we can be influential, we can be visionary. When we work on all the things that what I have told you, that will make you not just personality development, that will empower you. So you will reach from a place from personality development to personal empowerment. When you are empowered, you will have leadership, you will be influential person, you will be a visionary person, you will be an effective person, and one day you will be that inspiring person to some other person. So the first slide, which has a few photos, if you are developing these things, then there will be definitely again a group of people who will get inspired by your personality. It's not by your face or your smile or your clothes or your wealth or something. Again, you can attract a lot of people, you can inspire a lot of people by the way you live, by the way you develop your personality. So you can also be an inspiration to some other. And I wish each and everyone who is listening to this, who has been a part of today's session, and who will be watching this in the future, I wish you also be in the list of inspirers of a group of people in the coming days. And that is my wish, and I strongly believe that you all will be able to do. So thank you very much, and thank you very much for giving me this precious time of yours in listening to me. And thank you very much. We will meet again with another wonderful discussion, and thank you.